Good morning, children. Welcome back to the social session of Formative Assessment 2 Revision, children. Yesterday we have seen a few questions like what are the values which are embedded in the Indian Constitution, children. Now let us move on to the next question. Why do you think the elections need to be conducted free and fair? For this question, how the answer should be written? Okay. So this is from the Parliament and Central Government, children. Elections के बारे में तो हम पढ़े थे पहले भी. Okay. The elections are the most important mechanism through which we elect our representatives. Without elections, the democracy doesn't have any value. So for that reason, how these elections should be conducted free and fair. Okay. कुछ what we call without any kind of malpractices or without any kind of corruption. If you conduct the elections, okay, then the originality or what you really require will come out. So this, what is the need for it? Why do you think the elections need to be conducted like that? Mean in democracy, children, okay, in democracy, you can write answer like this. You can make a note of it. In democracy, elections and political parties are very important. Elections and political parties. And political parties are very important functions. Okay. Then the second point can be the people elect their representatives through the elections only. Through the elections. Okay. For that it is very important. Elections need to be conducted free and fair. And third reason is the elections should not influence any issue. They should be free and fair. They should be free and fair. Next, the model code of conduct must be implemented. This is how you can write the answer for this question. Why do you think the elections need to be conducted free and fair? Because in today's elections, there are many influences. There is an influence of biryani packets, there is an influence of alcohol, there is an influence of money, there is an influence of gifts. So this influence is making the originality or the need of the people to subside, and the unnecessary things are coming upstream. So in order to control that one, it is a duty of the election commission to control these kind of malpractices and see that the elections are conducted free and fair. So this is how the answer can be written. And do not forget about the revision of the remaining lessons also, children. Read the textbook thoroughly, because most of the fill in the blanks comes from the middle of the text. For example, who is the first Chief Minister of Hyderabad State? Who was the first Chief Minister of Hyderabad State? It is Burugula Ramakrishna Rao. Okay. He is the first Chief Minister of Hyderabad State. And who is the editor of Golconda Patrika, children? Golconda Patrika editor is Suravaram Pratap Reddy. Suravaram Pratap Reddy. So these kind of questions which comes from the middle of the textbook, do not forget them. Okay. Prepare from the textbook thoroughly, and even from the central government also. How many constituencies are there from Telangana, children? Lok Sabha constituencies are there from Telangana. We have 17 Lok Sabha constituencies. So likewise, do not forget about the revision of other lessons also along with these questions. Thank you, children. We will see in the next class.